Hi, welcome, good afternoon, good day, and welcome to Yorkshire Bike Mechanics YouTube video channel. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to try and beat the record. I'm not sure it's an official record. We're going to try and build a wheel. We're going to lace it, true it, and finish it within under 25 minutes. So I believe that's the record that someone's done online, and as professional wheel builders we feel that we've got a good chance to do that. So without further ado, let's crack on. So we've got as hub a lovely Hope Black Pro 4. We've got 32 DT Swiss spokes, double butted. We have a lovely stance floor rim, a Mark III, 127.5. And we have, let me put that the right way around, and we have a handful of brass black nipples, okay? So this is a speed challenge, so I'm not going to kind of tell you how to build a wheel in this video, but we'll make one another time. There's lots of videos out there on how to build wheels, so hopefully we'll try and give you a little bit more technical information on how to build a wheel, the different ways to build a wheel, and what makes a strong wheel. So if you want to see that video, then just leave a message for us, and we'll see what we can do. So like I say, we're professional wheel builders, so I think we've got a good chance of beating this. So what time is it now? It is 3:40 and 51. So we'll just wait for it to get to 3:41. 3, 2, 1, go. Here we go. So spokes go in drive side first, every other. Okay. Now this is quite a tough challenge, is this? 25 minutes is a fast time, so it's going to take a lot of beating. But like I say, we do this for a living, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we should be able to beat it. So under 25 minutes is the target. Let's see how we go. So every fourth hole, screw a nipple on, 3 turns. Next one, fourth hole, screw a nipple on, 3 turns. shake, get all them nipples through. Then feed that through under and in that spoke hole there. That's it. This is quite a tricky bit really, because floor rims tend to keep hold of spoke nipples as you're trying to pull them through, which makes it difficult as you get further round, that the spokes actually become a little bit short because the nipples aren't coming all the way through. So just need to be careful of that as we go through. Like that one there, I can see one now that's quite short. That might give us a problem a little bit later on. So, get in. Get in. Okay, through, and I'm going. Everything's basically a 3-lacing pattern in this particular wheel. Which kind of, most mountain bike wheels are built on a 3-lace pattern. It makes them strong. This is actually 32 hole, this one. What time are we on? 3:46. Okay. I've forgotten what time we started. I'll have to look back. Right, okay. That side, now we need to drop all the remaining spokes down in the non-drive side, the disc side. Drop them all down there. And then what we can do is pull them spokes the other way, opposite way to the ones that we've just done. Okay, turn it round. Okay, drop them spokes down, keep hold of them. Okay, so that one goes under there, and next one rather, not that one. Okay, this is where the spokes can get a little bit tight now. So that's it. 3 turns under every 4th hole. So we're on 4 minutes. What are we on now? Doesn't say, does it? Let's have a look. 8 minutes and 4 seconds. So, which is a good time for lacing. Usually, you can do one in about 9 minutes. If we're going some. Okay. Another 2 spokes after this. That's it. A spoke on there. That's it. Where's my... Right, okay, I'm not panicking, I just... That's it. Use my spoke threading tool just to get that through. Here we are. So, one more spoke. Laced. Okay, right, get that machine here, set it up, Right, what we need to do now is, just with his thumbs, just get all them spokes seated in there. Round. Okay. And you can actually just feel them starting to tighten. Just enough. Just to still keep that same position. But a lot tighter. Still keeping the rim reasonably true. The rim actually came off the drill really nice, to be honest. We're quite lucky, really. So I'm generally putting 2 turns on every one. Okay. Right, and de-stress it. This particular tool that I'm de-stressing on is something that we've built to help us when we've got such a lot of wheels to build. Just makes things a little bit easier. Let's have a look at this now. Yeah, not so bad, not so bad. Okay, so we need to come over to the right, so Put 2 on right. So if it's taken us about 9 minutes to lace it, it's going to take a little bit longer to true it and to get a decent amount of tension on it. Nope. Starting to come together now a little bit. I feel that tension building. Okay, give it a stress, de-stress it. And now we just need to get its centre. Starting from the valve hole, we need to pull it the right way around but still keep the same tension on. See if we can been building wheels for a lot of years, and to be honest, it's pretty easy to teach someone to build wheels, but to actually perfect it takes quite a few years, because a lot of it is feel. I know how tight these spokes need to be at any one particular time just by the feel on my fingers, and that takes quite a long time to learn. But it is definitely a bit of an art. A lot of people say it's really easy to build wheels. It is. It's really easy. But to true them, and true them properly, is not so much. It's quite difficult. You don't want to be going down the road and your wheel wobbles all over the place. You want it to be just right. Especially when you're building for other people, like we do. So we'll just true that up. Okay. Check the other side to make sure that that's just needs to go up just there, just slightly. Okay. You can just hear it. I think you're probably a bit aware of that. There. Just there. And de-stress it again. You can hear the spokes starting to ping now. Every time we de-stress it, the spokes settle into the holes and you find that it's in a slightly different position. Oh, there we are. There we are. Okay, so we're there, just about there. So Okay, done. Done. All done. Wheel in well under 25 minutes.